Hello, this is Hector Villatoro. I'm the broker for RB Realty, a leading company in the real estate industry. In this video, we'll talk about how to calculate the debt to income ratio when you are getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Debt to income is calculated based on all the monthly payments divided by your monthly gross income from all the borrowers. If it's only one borrower, then it will calculate it from that borrowers. It's two, it will base it on the two of them. The debt to ratio is very important because many lenders have some restricted guidelines. Sometimes when you go with a government loan, you have a more flexible debt to income. I'll give you an example. The standard debt to income cannot be more than 36% for many of the banks. And you need to have that in mind when you are applying for a mortgage. What happens is you have a higher debt to income. First of all, the first answer will be you will not be able to qualify. It's crucial because it's like also with the credit score. If you have a low credit score, it's a problem. But let's not deviate from the debt to income. Having a debt to income that is too high, you have two solutions to it. One, the lender or the loan officer will recommend you to lower you have to pay some debt. You have to pay some credit cards. Or you can pay your student loan or your car, or you can refinance some debt that you have higher interest rate, to give you an example. So, what can you do? What else can you do to fix the problem or get better approval? One is that you can get an additional income by getting a part-time job or getting a cosigner. Two, you will have to put a higher down payment. Obviously, whenever you need to do something that is going to get you qualified, it's worth it. Because having a home is one of the main dreams for many people. Remember, if you need some more information about this or any other topic, we have premier lender working for us, with us, here in RB Realty. We're always here to help you in any way we can. And remember, if you know anyone who might be thinking about selling or buying, please refer them to us, to RB Realty. Our number is 631-617-5135. Our office is open 7 days a week. Thank you for watching.